In this video, you will learn how to make two types of barcodes in Google Sheets in less than a minute. First, in the column next to the product ID column, column C for the yellow table in this example, enter this formula. This formula concatenates asterisks before and after the value in cell B2, which represents the product ID for socks. Now change the font of the formula to Libre Barcode. Now drag the corner of B2 to apply this formula to the entire table. Just an FYI, there are two versions of this font, Code 39 and Code 128. For the yellow table, we will use Code 39, and for the blue table, we will use Code 128. Code 39 is the most frequently used in industrial barcode systems today. Repeat the steps for the blue table and use Libre Code 128. And there you have it, two different types of barcodes for your products. If you found this video interesting, please like, comment, and subscribe to support our channel and to be notified about more tips like these.